Adobe Scan is one of the best document scanning apps, and in this video we'll learn to use it. So let us begin. The app needs a free Adobe account, and if you have any other Adobe apps installed, it will log in automatically. If not, you must sign in or create a new account. We need to allow a few permissions. The first is the camera and then is the notification. We also need to allow storage permission by tapping here to access gallery images. This is the scanning interface. Adobe Scan has a few scanning options offering different features. Those include documents, whiteboard, ID card and business card. The most common is document scanning. The app automatically detects documents and takes photos. However, you can turn it off. Let's scan something now. As you can see, it detected and captured the document automatically. It even auto-cropped the page. From the bottom we can capture and add more pages. Let's take one more. When you have multiple pages scanned, you'll see the number. Tap here to see all the pages. To delete any, hold and select them and then tap Done. You will see the delete button. Filters are here to adjust page lighting. Auto color seems to work very well. You can adjust the brightness and contrast of the page from this tool. Now you see this corner. I did this purposely because I want to show you this cleanup feature. This is to remove spots in the document. Whether the edges are not clear or the document has wrinkles, this will work. You can choose the surrounding option or pick a specific color. Now swipe to get rid of it. It works flawlessly. It even removes text from the document. The next is markup to write on the document. It has width, opacity and color options. After that is the page size. This is another great option if you want a set size. It has A4, A3 and others in both portrait and landscape. The last option is copying the text with one click. Tap this icon to copy it to the clipboard. Once all set, save this PDF. We can edit this document at any time by opening it and then clicking Modify. The same interface will open up. The home screen will show your scans. The app saves documents to your Adobe account and we can further manage them here. We can save a JPEG copy of this scan to our device. Tap this More to see other options. The top copy to device will save a copy of it. You can copy this document to Google Drive or OneDrive. We will just open the selected app to upload the document. The share option is obvious. There are two ways to share documents. We can share a link to this document. Choosing an app will paste the document's link. Or we can share it as an attachment from below. This way people won't have to click the link to preview it. ID card scanning is slightly different. As we know, there are two sides to a card, so when you scan a card, it will automatically ask you to scan the back. Tap this button and then scan the back side. Once done, it will place the card on a document to share and print it easily. Now we'll cover a few extra features. We can open this document in Acrobat Reader by clicking the option. We can also fill and sign this document, which will open the interface in Acrobat Reader. Next, when you browse images on your device, you can only display documents by tapping here. This will hide all other photo types. Furthermore, it can detect and scan QR codes. Tap this icon to see the results and to open the website linked to the code. Finally, it has a premium subscription offering to password protect files, export them to other formats, combine PDFs and edit the text in a scanned document. With all being covered, this is the end. Thanks for watching. Take care.